Hi, it's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I'll show you how to install and remove Google Chrome extensions. First of all, we need to install one extension, so let's go to Chrome Store. Chrome Web Store, and over here you can see all the extensions. For example, let's install this Go Full Page extension. Just click on it and click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. And you can see up here that extension is installed. So you can click this puzzle up here and access requested. So just click it to allow the extension to have the access, and it will screenshot your screen, for example. To manage your extensions, go up here, these three little dots, go more tools and click extensions. And over here you can see your extensions. You can disable them, for example. You can disable it so you don't see them up here, or you can remove it or check some details. And this is how you install and remove Google Chrome extensions. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it is, drop some likes and comments below, and see you in some other video. Bye bye.